Hi kids, Max activity sheet for UKG. Count and write the correct number. Read the numbers and draw as many objects. Ordinals. Write the correct position. Numbers. After number, what comes after, what comes before, what comes in between, increasing order, decreasing order, greater than and less than, greater than and less than, increasing order, decreasing order, what comes in between, what comes before numbers, what comes after numbers. Write the correct position, ordinals, read the numbers and draw as many objects, count and write the correct number. First one, count and write the correct number. See here, how many cups here? Count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 cups. Then how many balls here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. You write 9 here. Then how many flowers here? Count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 flowers. You write here 7. Next, how many fishes here? Count it. 1, 2, 3, 4. You write 4 here. How many lollipop here? Count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You write here 5. Next one. Read the numbers and draw as many objects. See here. Here is 9. You draw here 9 objects. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 circle here. How many circle here? 9 circle. Then 7. You draw here 7 objects. Then 4. You draw here 4 objects. Then 8. You draw here 8 objects. Next one. Ordinals. Ordinals means tells the position of something in a list or series, such as first, second or third. See here, first one is apple, second one cup, third one ball, fourth one fish, fifth one kite, sixth one mango, seventh one leaf, eighth one ice cream, ninth one candle, 10th one star. Next, write the correct position. What is this? Ball. Which position can we find the ball? See here, which position? Third. Third position. Ball is third position. Second, ice cream. See here, what is this? Ice cream. Which position can we find the ice cream? Eighth. Next, kite. Which position can we find the kite? Where is kite? Find out. Here, fifth position. Very good. Next, apple. Apple, which position can we find the apple? First. Next, leaf. Which position can we find the leaf? Seventh. Next, star. Last one is star. Which position can we find the stars? 10th position. Good. Next. Numbers. After number, before number, between number. What comes after number? After number means next number. See here 5. What comes after 5? 6. Next 8. What comes after 8? 9. See here 2. What comes after 2? 3. After number. Next. What comes before number? See here 7 before. Before 7, 6. Before 9, 8. Before 5, 4. Next. What comes in between? What comes after first number? Then what comes before last number is called in between. See here 7 and 9, in between 8. Then 2 and 4, in between 3. What comes in between 9 and 11? 10. What comes in between 7 and 9? 8. What comes in between 2 and 4? 3. Next. Increasing order. Small to big. That is increasing order. 1, 2, 3, 4. Increasing order. Next. Decreasing order. Big to small. Big to small is called decreasing order. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3. Greater than and less than. See here. Which one is more here? Count it. How many stars here? Count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7. Here 3. Which one is big? 7. 7 is the big. So 7 greater than 3. Next, how many lollipop here? 4 lollipop. You write 4 here. How many lollipop here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 lollipops. How many lollipop here? 8. Write 8 here. Which one is more? 8 lollipop is more. 4 less than 8. Next, how many balls here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 balls. Here 5 balls. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 balls. Which one is more? 9 is the more. More greater than 5. Max worksheet for UKG. See here. First one, count and write. Second one, read the number, draw as many objects. Ordinal numbers, write the correct position. Next, numbers, after number, before number, in between number, increasing order. Next, decreasing order, then greater than, less than. Increasing order, decreasing order, greater than, less than. After number, before number, between numbers. Write the correct position, ordinal numbers. Read the numbers and draw as many objects. Thank you, kids.